How can I attend a Zoom meeting? The first thing I do is I go to my email where my teacher Petra sent me a Zoom meeting invitation. So with the Zoom meeting invitation, I look down and I see the words Join Zoom Meeting. Under the words Join Zoom Meeting, I see a URL. It's a link to the meeting. So I click on the link to the meeting. Now I wait. I see a box open up. It says Open Zoom. And I want to go to the meeting, so I click on Open Zoom. And now the meeting is open. I can, if I want, I can unmute this microphone down here, and now I can talk, and the people in the meeting will hear me. If I want, I can unmute my video, and then the people in the meeting can see me. If I don't want people to see me, I just mute my video. I click, and then there's a line through it. If I don't want people to hear me, I click, and there's a line through it, and no one can hear me. And now, when the meeting is over, I click, and I can leave the meeting. There, I just joined and then left a meeting.